Hey, welcome there. This is Rajimul. Today I will show you how to set up Shopify Market. Shopify Market means Shopify which country do you want to sell your product. Example, you want to sell product USA and you want to sell product globally, then need to set up a global market. For setup market, you need to go first log in your store, then you can see this page, then click settings. When click settings, then you can see option market. Scroll down and you can option market. Click market. When click market, then you can see two market is default market and one market is your country basic, another country is international. But international is inactive. But you can see your one option is active. How to active on international market? Then you need to click here. When click here, you can see a option active. You can see at right top option. Click here and you can see a option active. Then click save. This is how to active a market, international another any market. But if you need to add market, then you need to click add market. Then you need to see a market name. Example, my market name is Africa. Maybe I want to sell my product Africa. Then I will select country African country. Just then you need to click add market. This is a example market, but if you want to sell your product globally or Asia, another you need to continue. But you when is market create is done, you can see this option is not available. Why this option not available? First you need to go set up a shipping rate. Click shipping. When click shipping, go to shipping, click here. Then you need to click here, then scroll down, create zone Africa, Africa. Then click done. When click done, you can see option add rate. Click add rate and select shipping rate. I select this shipping price. This mean delivery price, shipping rate. Select here and click done. When click done, click save. When click save, then you can see you need to go again settings and market. Sorry, market. When go to market, you can see this is new market Africa. Click here, then click again now. Then you can see active is now working. Click active and click save changes. This is a process how to create market and how to inactive market active. This is a small process. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or need any Shopify expert, then see my description. You can see my contact email. Contact us. We need to help you. Thank you so much. Tata.